Hi guys, it's Mindy. I'm just going to show you today how to batch process your images in Photoshop. We're going to start by opening them, and you want to select the images that you want. You don't have to open them right away, but I'm just showing you the tutorial opening them. Open with Photoshop. It's going to pull up my images here. You want to select all of them. You can adjust it if you want. I'm not going to for this tutorial. I'm just going to open them all unedited. And my computer's being slow today, so I apologize. That opens up all the images. You can see all the lighting is different in all of these. And so I'm just going to kind of show you how it is to batch process and add your actions to your images so that you can go in and tweak them and then save them. It's going to save you time so that you don't have to hand open each image and edit it every single time. You can open all of them up and then play your actions. We'll edit each photo to the default settings, and then you can go in and tweak each one, because obviously every single picture is different with the lighting. So you obviously can't run just the same actions and just keep it like that unless you're kind of in a studio where your lighting's the same. Let's go up to File, go to Automate, Batch. I'm going to click it. Up here is where you can select your actions. I'm going to choose my brush actions, and then you're going to choose which out of your set you want. I only have smoke in that. Kind of gives a smoky feel to my images. And then you're going to do open files, because we're doing the open files that are in Photoshop already. This is where you can select to do your folder if you just want to open up a folder and do them all, or import them. I just like to open mine first, because usually I go through and pick out my favorites so I don't have to edit every single image that I took for the day. Then the destination if you want to save and close them, but obviously every photo is different outside. We don't want to save and close them this time, or you could put them in a folder. I'm not going to do that today, so none. And then hit OK. And you'll see it starts to edit each image, and we'll go over in just a minute after it's done processing here. Now, obviously, the more pictures you have, the longer it's going to take, but it goes over pretty quick. So this one you can tell it's super bright, because obviously I have the sun flare here in the background when I was doing the image. Over here I have my light layer, where I like to go in and adjust so you can see how it doesn't want to overblow it. Then I have my contrast and everything that I like to adjust. And then my smoke layer, it kind of gives a different contrast. You can't really see because it's kind of a filtered image anyways, but then you can just go in and tweak them. I also, let's see, I'll do a darker one here. Here's one. This one obviously needs a little bit more light to me. I'd warm this picture up afterwards a little bit too. It's a little cool for my liking, but you just can go in and adjust everything to what you like, and you can run more actions if you want. This is just my basic action that I kind of like to play with on my images. But that way it saves you time, so you don't have to hand open one at a time, and it just adds up. If you do one after another, it just adds up in your editing time. And obviously we all want to be faster so we can make more money and not have to be editing all night long. So that's pretty much, this one's a little too light. That's pretty much how I do my batch editing, just to be quicker. And then I'll usually just run a sharpening and a little bit of like a color pop, and then sharpening, and flatten it, and then sharpen it. And then I usually call it good. If you have any more tutorials you'd like to see, feel free to comment, and I would love to help you. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.